meantime, ex-Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr.'s insistence his arrest did not adhere to due process has somehow drawn the court's attention, which somehow yielded him yet another legal remedy. In addition, his legal camp is looking forward to posting bail on his malversation charge by Friday, as Orion Lesigas reports.
The camp of former Senator Bong Revilla is set to file a petition for bail in connection with the malversation case he is facing before the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division. They are expected to file a petition for bail before the court's February 20 deadline. This morning, Revilla appeared before the Sandigan Bayan for his arraignment. His wife, Cavite 2nd District Representative Lani Mercado, also arrived. During his arraignment, he refused to enter a plea on the case he in connection with the alleged 92.8 million ghost flood control project in Pandi, Bulacan. Because of this, the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division entered a not guilty plea on behalf of the former senator. According to Revilla's camp, his refusal to enter a plea is part of their position to question the legality of the information filed against him.
As we have maintained, meron pong violation po ng due process sa parte ni Senator Bong. So, hindi po siya binigyan ng sapat na pagkakataon para matanggap ang mga dokumento. Yung binanggit namin dati na may higit kumulang 700 pages na complaint na hindi siya na-furnish.
The legal team of the former senator also welcomed the anti-graft court's partial approval, granting them leave of court to file a motion with the Office of the Ombudsman, which was directed to resolve the matter within 60 days.
Once nasa korte na ang kaso, it is the court that would have full control ng proceedings. So kailangan ang paalam o pahintulot ng korte na payagan na ipasa pabalik ang reconsideration or reinvestigation sa ombudsman.
His co-accused Juanito Mendoza also entered a not guilty plea. The preliminary conference was set for February 23 to 27, while the pre-trial is scheduled on March 6.
Yung mga charge na umabot sa korte, hindi yun yung charge na lumabas doon sa ombudsman level. Kaya humihingi siya ng pagkakataon na harapin itong mga charges na ito na hindi pinasagot sa kanya dati.
Meanwhile, former DPWH Bulacan engineer Bryce Hernandez also appeared before the Sandigan Bayan for his arraignment. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.